You're walking confidently like everything is under control, then suddenly your shoe decides to sound like a trumpet audition. You look down like, bro, don't do this to me right now. You try to walk again and it repeats the sound even louder, like it wants attention. Now you're calculating your next move. Do you stop walking completely or do you start doing that awkward tiptoe walk? You glance around to see if anyone heard it, but of course someone did. They're pretending not to look, but you know they heard everything. You try to recreate the sound just to prove it was the shoe, not you, but now the shoe is silent like it's mocking you. So you take one more step, and the shoe screams again. At this point you're praying the floor just opens up. Because now everyone thinks you're out here making suspicious noises. If you've ever fought for your reputation because of a loud shoe, hit that subscribe button so I don't suffer alone.